How to reduce iPhone brightness even more than normal. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to find and tap on Accessibility. Inside the Accessibility menu, tap on Display and Text Size. Now, scroll down to find the Reduce White Point option at the bottom. Tap on the toggle switch to turn it on. You can then use the slider below to adjust the intensity. Sliding it to the right increases the effect, making the screen even dimmer. Alternatively, swipe down from the top right of the screen to open the control center. Here, you can use the slider to reduce the screen brightness. Following these steps, you can easily reduce screen brightness on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.